Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make raviolis. So you're going to need 2 cans of tomato sauce, some garlic, basil, oregano, dried basil, salt, pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and wine. So you get a frying pan and then you get some oil, put some oil in, and then put your heat on medium. Now you want to put at least 2 scoops of garlic into the pan. Now, once it starts sizzling, you want to just mix it around a little bit until it gets golden brown. Once you see they're golden brown now, so now we could start putting our ingredients in. So we want to turn down the heat a little bit, and then we pour in the tomato sauce, about 2 cups. And then you mix it around. Then you can add the basil, about 10 leaves of basil, or as many as you like. Next, we're gonna add some wine, red wine, just to put a little bit in there, kind of add a darker color to the sauce, and some Worcestershire sauce. You mix it a little bit. We are going to add some oregano, just as much to maybe cover the whole top of the sauce, and a little layer. And then we add some dried basil, also just to cover the top. Now, just mix it a little bit. Next, you're going to add your salt and your pepper. I add dried bell pepper, but if you don't want to add it, then that's okay too. It adds some good flavor to it. Now you can put a lid over it and leave it on for like maybe 20 minutes. While you're waiting for the sauce to cook, you can make your raviolis or pasta. So you're just gonna put the water in the pot and then turn it up. Turn the heat up to high. Now all we have to do is wait for it to boil. I'm using spinach and cheese raviolis, and these are fresh raviolis. Now that this is boiling, you can plop these in there. Once the raviolis are poofy and they float to the top of the water, that's how you know that they're ready. Now we're just gonna mix it a little bit, and it is almost done. As you can see in this photo, this is the finished product of the sauce with the raviolis, and we added some garlic bread into it and some Parmesan cheese. Very good.